We are back for some more of our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another Nintendo Wii game with Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? Let's see how it goes. Let's see if I am smarter than a fifth grader. Oh.
Hello, I'm Jeff Foxworthy. It's time to play Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? Let's meet our next player. It's time to decide which one of these young scholars.
It's you and me, Kara.
Here are the subjects for today's game: math, animal science, reading, world geography, health, U.S. geography, physical science, measurements, art, earth science.
First grade math, please.
Okay, you're playing for $1,000 on this first question.
An even number plus an odd number is even. That would have to be false.
Locking in.
You've got $1,000.
Yes!
Alright.
Pick your next subject.
First grade animal science.
Okay, you're playing for $2,000.
True or false? Roadrunners are birds. True.
Okay, I'm locking in my answers.
You've got $2,000.
Yes!
That
It's time to call a new classmate.
I'm going to pick Jen.
Pick another subject.
was easy. Second grade reading.
Okay, you're playing for $5,000.
Wish's Fun is a fairy tale. Thumbelina is a fairy tale.
Locking in.
You've got $5,000.
That was easy.
Excellent.
You've got your classmate.
Second grade world geography.
All right, for $10,000, may we see the question, please?
And it's rated C.
I'm going to lock in my answers.
You've got $10,000.
That one was
Yes!
okay.
It's time to call a new classmate.
I'm going to go with Justin.
Pick another subject.
Third grade health.
Okay, you get this next question right, and you leave with $25,000 no matter what happens the rest of the game. Justin has locked in his answer.
I would say incisor.
Locking in.
This ain't the first time your instincts have led you astray, is it?
Oh.
And
Oh no.
Jesus help. I don't want to say those helps.
Let's see if your classmate knows this stuff any better than you
I want to
do.
use it cheap, but I want to save them.
These fifth graders really know their stuff.
Woo! All right.
You've got $25,000. Your classmate really saved you that time. You've got your classmate.
Third grade U.S. geography.
Okay, this question is almost like a freebie. No matter what happens here, you've won $25,000.
That's false. That's Louisiana.
You probably just picked the first answer you saw, but luckily it was the right one.
That's state.
Excellent.
Louisiana.
Great job. We have to say goodbye to this classmate.
I'm going to go with Melissa.
Pick another subject.
Fourth grade physical science.
Okay, you're playing for $100,000.
What element is represented by the letters Ni? Nitrogen.
Locking in.
No.
No, I'm
Nickel.
sorry.
Nickel.
Oh,
Nitrogen
I can't believe it.
N. But I did get
There's the
25
answer
grand.
you gave. Tell us the correct one, please.
Yeah, it's nickel. Oh well.
That's all she wrote, partner.
Oh, well, see
you
you up for another
just
game.
flunked out.
I am such an idiot.
Now repeat after me. I am not smarter than a fifth grader.
I am not smarter than a fifth grader.
Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you again next time.